me chicken. The ingredients list and full recipe in full languages are in the description below. I am Chef Fonex. Welcome to my kitchen. Cut the chicken breasts into finger-sized strips. Varsayalım metin. Coat them with seasoned flour. Combine them with melted butter in a pan. To avoid cooling the oil, fry the chicken in small batches and replace cooked pieces with fresh ones. Remove them from the pan once both sides are golden brown. We stick with the same pan, deglazing it to lock in all that built-up flavor. Put the crushed red pepper and chopped garlic in the pan. Let the chili tint the oil and the garlic release its fragrance. Meanwhile, chop the soaked sun-dried tomatoes. Deglaze the pan with chicken stock while scraping the bottom and stir in the tomatoes. Take the pan off the heat and add the heavy cream, stirring vigorously over very low heat so it doesn't curdle. When the cream starts to bubble, add the chicken. Remove from the heat. Check the salt and black pepper and stir in the grated Parmesan while it's still hot. Plate the dish. Garnish with freshly chopped basil and bon appetit.
Perfecto.
Subscribe and let us know in the comments which recipes you'd like to learn. Let's add it to our recipe lineup for you.